Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best clam steamer pot is probably one of the most underrated kitchen tools, capable of transforming a simple gathering into a seafood feast. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this pot promises perfectly steamed clams every time. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of clam steamers, exploring what makes a great one and helping you choose the perfect pot for your needs. Number 5. Nevlers 3QT Vegetable Steamer Set. Introducing the Nevlers Food Steamer Pot, a 3-piece set designed for efficient cooking. This set includes a base pot, a steam basket, and a vented glass lid. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen. This stainless steel pot is crafted from 304 to 18/8 steel, making it rust-resistant and non-reactive. It's compatible with various stovetops, ensuring even heat distribution for all your cooking needs. Safety is a priority with the Bakelite handles, designed to stay cool during use. You'll enjoy a secure grip on the pot, the steamer basket, and the vented lid. This steamer isn't just for steaming vegetables. Use it to make baby food, stocks, broths, or even as a pasta strainer. It's a versatile tool for every culinary adventure. We stand behind the quality of this stainless steel soup pot steamer. It includes a 1-year limited warranty and customer support. Get yours today and start cooking. What we like. This steamer set is incredibly versatile, perfect for steaming vegetables, making baby food, or even using it as a pasta strainer. It's built with cool touch handles, ensuring safety and comfort while you cook. If you're looking for a kitchen workhorse that can handle a variety of tasks, you should consider this one. What people say. This is a great steamer pot that I use for browning meat and poultry and cooking soups, and steaming salmon, and several other things. It's well made and easy to clean. The plastic handles don't seem to get hot, are big enough to feel comfortable when you grab them. It heats quickly, maintains the heat, and I could not be happier. Number 4. Bayou Classic KDS 18282 QT Stainless Steel Cooker Kit. This is the Bayou Classic KDS 182, a heavy-duty stainless steel cooker kit. It's designed for outdoor cooking and is perfect for large gatherings. It makes cooking easy and fun. The kit features an 82-quart stainless steel boiler with a lid. It's large enough to cook for a crowd. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and easy cleaning. It includes a boil basket with a helper handle. This makes it easy to lift and drain your food. This feature adds convenience to your cooking process. The single jet burner delivers a powerful 106,000 BTUs. This ensures quick and efficient cooking. It will get your food cooked in no time. It comes with a 10 psi preset regulator and a 60-inch hose. This ensures safe and consistent gas flow. This is designed for your safety and convenience. The entire unit is made of heavy-duty stainless steel. This makes it resistant to rust and corrosion. This cooker is built to last. The cooker has a 12.5-inch tall frame with a single bolt leg attachment. It provides a stable cooking surface. It's perfect for outdoor use. What we like. This cooker boasts a massive 82-quart capacity and a powerful 106,000 BTU burner, perfect for large batches. Its heavy-duty stainless steel construction ensures it can handle the heat. If you're planning a big outdoor gathering or need to cook for a crowd, it's a great choice. What people say. Heats up quickly, maintains the temperature through the boil. It can fit 1 sack plus potatoes, sausage, corn. The base is very sturdy. The drop-in basket sits almost 3 inches off of the bottom of the pot, so there is plenty of room for the beer vinegar water mixture. The basket will hold 4 dozen 6 crabs or steam 3 dozen and leave room for the corn on the cob. The burner works great and takes less than 10 minutes to get a rolling steam going with about 2 of liquid in the pot. The jet burner made quick work of bringing the pot to a boil. Expected 45 minutes to an hour to get to a boil, but it seemed like 10 minutes. Number 3. Bayou Classic KDS 982 Stainless Steel Steamer Kit. This Bayou Classic kit includes a large 82-quart stainless steel stock pot, perfect for big batches. The included lid helps to trap heat and moisture, ensuring your food cooks evenly. The kit features an elevated steam and boil basket with a convenient helper handle. This allows you to easily lift and drain your food, making the cooking process much simpler. It is equipped with a powerful single jet burner, delivering 106,000 BTUs. This burner provides intense heat for rapid cooking and boiling. The cooking surface is 16 inches wide, offering plenty of space for large pots and pans. This allows you to cook a variety of dishes with ease. The kit includes a 10 psi preset regulator and a 60-inch hose for safe and efficient operation. This ensures consistent heat and easy setup. It also has a 360-degree windscreen to protect the flame from wind. This feature ensures that the burner performs well in various weather conditions. What we like. This steamer kit offers an 82-quart stainless steel stockpot and a high-powered burner. It includes an elevated steam basket with a helper handle. If you love hosting seafood boils or steaming large quantities of food, this is the one for you. What people say. Heats up quickly, maintains the temperature through the boil. It can fit one sack plus potatoes, sausage, corn. The base is very sturdy. The drop-in basket sits almost 3 inches off of the bottom of the pot, so there is plenty of room for the beer vinegar water mixture. The basket will hold 4 dozen 6 crabs or steam 3 dozen and leave room for the corn on the cob. The burner works great and takes less than 10 minutes to get a rolling steam going with about 2 of liquid in the pot. Drop in the crabs, basket, and steam them 25 to 30 minutes and they will come out perfect. The jet burner made quick work of bringing the pot to a boil. Expected 45 minutes to an hour to get to a boil, but it seemed like 10 minutes. Number 2. Barton 64QT Turkey Fryer Steamer Burner Barbecue. This fryer includes a long probe thermometer. It measures from 50 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, helping you achieve the perfect oil temperature. There is also a clip to secure it to the pot side. The included marinade injector allows you to add your favorite flavors. Mix your marinade, draw it into the injector, and evenly distribute it throughout the turkey. This will make the turkey more delicious. The poultry rack holds your bird in place for even oil distribution. The rack's top has a loop for the lift hook, making removal easy. This design ensures a perfectly fried finish every time. Use the basket for deep frying chicken, fish, or hush puppies. You can also steam or boil seafood and vegetables. Without the basket, it's perfect for soups, stews, and low-country boils. A sturdy stand is crucial for outdoor frying. This kit features a round, black-painted steel stand. This ensures the hot content stays safely contained. The package includes a 64 QT pot, steamer basket, burner stand, LP hose and regulator, thermometer, poultry rack, and marinade injector. It has everything you need to get started. What we like. This fryer comes with a generous 64-quart capacity and includes a thermometer and marinade injector for precise cooking. It also features a poultry rack for even frying. If you enjoy deep frying turkey or other foods and want to add extra flavor, you should consider this. What people say. This is a great item to have if you have crab boils, gumbo feast, or large fish fry. You can even fry a very large turkey in this huge pot. This item has plenty of room. We did not need the extra accessories because the pot came with bar to pull the pot up with. My husband said it was extremely easy to use. Number 1. Kenmore Broadway 16-quart steamer pot. This steamer pot is designed for perfect steaming. The stainless steel insert fits seamlessly, allowing you to steam various foods like tamales and lobster. It makes cooking easier. The pot features durable steel construction for quick heating. The glacier blue enamel exterior is easy to clean and looks great. This pot is both beautiful and functional. The pot comes with large, sturdy handles. These handles make it easy to lift and move, even when it's fully loaded. It provides convenience during cooking. The set includes a 16-quart enamel-on steel pot, a stainless steel steamer insert, and a lid. It has everything you need for steaming. This is a complete set. This pot is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It offers versatility in your cooking methods. You can use it on the stovetop and in the oven. What we like. This steamer pot includes a stainless steel insert for perfect steaming of tamales, lobster, and more. It features a beautiful and easy-to-clean enamel exterior and large, sturdy handles for easy lifting. If you like to steam a variety of foods and want a pot that's both functional and stylish, you should consider it. What people say. The steamer was packed inside 3 separate cartons, so there was no damage to the unit. Great job packing. The stock pot is made of enamel on steel, so it's very durable. The steamer insert is made of stainless steel and there is a glass lid that allowed me to watch my food steam to perfection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.